If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After creating a company file, you should customize its settings. To access these settings, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open an Account and Settings window. The 7 company settings categories appear in a menu at the left side of the window. These are Company, Billing and Subscription, Usage, Sales, Expenses, Payments, and Advanced. By default, the company settings appear to the right when the window opens. However, you can click any button in the menu to show its related settings to the right instead. The Company Settings category contains the company name, company type, contact info, address, and communications with Intuit sections. To edit the individual settings in each section, except the Communications with Intuit section, click anywhere in a section to activate its settings. In the Company Name section, you can add a company logo, edit the company name, enter a legal name, and enter your EIN. To add a company logo, click the plus symbol next to the company logo to open a Logos window. If you have already uploaded a logo here, you can select it, and then click the Save button to finish. To upload a new logo, click the plus symbol in the empty box to open a system dialog box that lets you navigate to and select the logo file to upload. Then click the Open button in the system dialog box to upload the picture to QuickBooks Online and select it. To delete a selected logo, if it is not the currently applied logo choice, click the X button that appears in its upper right corner when it is selected. Then click the Delete button in the confirmation window that appears, or click the Cancel button to cancel the deletion. After selecting the correct logo to use, click the Save button in the Logos window to apply it. To edit the company name, type it into the Company Name field. If the company's legal name is the same as the company name, leave the Same as Company Name checkbox for the legal name checked. Otherwise, uncheck the checkbox and then enter your company's legal name into the field that appears. Enter your employer identification number into the EIN field. To save and apply the settings, click the Save button in this section. To cancel your changes, simply click the Cancel button instead. The Company Type section lets you edit the tax form and industry for your company. To select the type of tax form filed by the company, select it from the Tax Form drop-down. To change the industry, click into the Industry field and start typing your industry to show matching choices in a drop-down menu. Then click the choice to select. To save your changes, click the Save button in this section. To cancel your changes, instead click the Cancel button. The Contact Info section lets you edit the company's contact information. To change the email address at which QuickBooks can contact you, type it into the Company Email field. If this email is the same one at which customers can contact you and which you want to show on invoices, leave the Same as Company Email checkbox checked for the customer-facing email field. To change the email shown to customers on invoices, uncheck the Same as Company Email checkbox and then type the desired email into the field that then appears. Enter the phone number to show on sales forms into the Company Phone field. Finally, enter the website address to show on sales forms into the Website field. To save and apply your changes, click the Save button in this section. Otherwise, click the Cancel button. The Address section lets you enter company addresses. Enter the default company address where your company is based and for which QuickBooks should calculate subscription taxes into the address fields for the company address label. If you have a different customer-facing address or legal address, then click the corresponding address labels section, uncheck the Same as Company Address checkbox, and then enter the other address into the address fields that appear. To save your changes for any address, click the Save button that appears within its section. To cancel your changes, simply click the Cancel button instead. To set your Intuit marketing preferences, don't click the Marketing Preferences link in the Communications with Intuit section, as the web page it opens doesn't currently show the required notifications section as of this writing. Instead, close the Account and Settings window by clicking the Done button in its lower right corner. Then click the User button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and click the Manage Your Intuit Account link to open a web page. In this page, click the Data and Privacy link and scroll down to the Notifications section. To disable promotional phone calls, set the Phone Communications toggle switch to the Off position. To disable promotional emails for an Intuit product, click the View link next to the name of the product. Then click the desired email type toggle switch to the Off position, or click the Unsubscribe from all emails link for that product at the bottom of the list of toggle switches to turn them all off. When finished, simply close the web page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.